Alright guys, back at it again. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm trying to build my channel as much as I can, so the more you guys can help out, the better it'll be. It'll be awesome. Eventually I'm going to get some stickers and t-shirts made probably. We're going to strip a whole bunch of aluminum wire today just to get it out of the way. I've been walking around it and over it for a couple weeks now. I got an auction to go to this afternoon, so hopefully we'll get some content from there to use. And I'll show you guys what I get, if I get anything. It depends. But I'm going to stick you guys over here on time lapse on one of my mounts I had earlier, and I'm just going to try to bust through as much of this as I can. I tried to clean up the shop a little bit this morning. You probably can't tell, but I did do a little bit of cleaning up. My table's still a disaster, but it is what it is. So we'll just go from there. Give you a little perspective from my view. The way I do this, guys, is with my particular stripper is I run it down one side. Usually it's a side that's bowed this way like this, and then all I do is I bring it up and I run it down the inside, which would be straight 180 degrees from the other cut, and it seems to work really well. And yes, I'm running this one wire. This is a ground wire, smaller. So I'm just running it through one hole smaller, and it seems to be cutting it just fine. So just like that. And it really doesn't matter. I can run real long runs, but it actually seems to be a little bit easier to handle when you cut them a little bit shorter. Now this size here, this is a different size altogether. I don't know where it came from, but it seems to be running through this hole, which is quite a bit bigger, but it seems to cut it just fine. That was a pretty long run there. See, it's peeling off already. I'm gonna try to stick with all that same size until I get done, then I'll do them big pieces. And cut this in half. I ain't fighting it. Uh-oh, what'd I run through there? Wherever it is, it's going now. Okay. There's some small pieces over here that I was using to repair the chopper to. A couple big pieces here left. Let's see, let's go to this hole. Yep. Try this hole first. Nope. So go down to the next one. Hey, honey. Okay. All right. One last piece here, guys. That sounds like it's cutting really hard. I didn't have a whole lot of this, so hopefully it didn't needle it too bad. Nope, didn't needle it at all. That's good. These things, by the way, they stay on a hell of a lot longer than the other brand. So when you pick them up, they're ready to chop. That's definitely a nice feature about them. They stay on a lot longer than them other ones. Okay, now all we got to do is peel it. Easy peasy. Fill the box up. Okay, I'm gonna set you guys back up on time lapse here. Alright guys, that took like I don't know, 45 minutes or so, hour. Be a short video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Get you a weight on what I just did. It's shouldn't be, it's maybe 15 pounds, hell I don't know. We'll figure it out here. V-Rose. $18.8. Now take off 2.4, so we got 16.4 pounds. That was pretty close. It's not bad. They pay pretty good for that stuff nowadays, so that's why I strip it. Till next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment.